Mga
We are not paid by
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
Marcos.
No.
Yeah, we are here to sympathize. We are from Belgium, Germany, and
Oh, nice. Liban ba kayo?
Germany with our own money.
Our reporter from ako rin, taga-ABS-CBN, Zen Hernandez po.
Sen Hernandez.
She's also reporting, taga dito
I'm
sa
an
Netherlands.
ex-mayor of Kabakan.
Talaga?
I'm a two-termer.
Baka pwede
My
kayong tumayo sa
husband
likod
is
niya.
also a mayor.
hindi ba?
And
Ay, hindi.
Gagamitin niyo lang kami eh.
Bakit naman?
Kayo kay Duterte, di ba?
oh, she's a lawyer. She tried to check the health of our president. He's an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
He was
diba?
kidnapped in the Philippines.
Oo. Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters now. We're showing people.
Oh, yeah.
That's what
You
we're
can
looking
show
for.
us that we are not paid.
Yes, sir.
And he's my husband.
Are you married to
Yeah.
Yeah.
He married at the Manila.
From the Philippines. Yeah, we all the way here.
Kanina yan, sis, oh. Sis, kanina lang, oh, mag-email lang.
Email mo.